Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the delicious world of savory shrimp stuffed white mushrooms in oyster sauce. Let's jump right in. To begin, peel the large shrimp and set them aside. Next, let's work with our scallions. Separate the green and white parts and finely chop the green section. Now it's time to create our shrimp paste. In a blender, combine the white part of the scallion, cleaned shrimp, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of salt. Blend until you achieve a smooth shrimp paste. With our paste ready, let's prepare the mushrooms. Remove the stems to create a hollow space for the filling. Transfer your shrimp paste into a piping bag for precision. Carefully squeeze the paste into each mushroom's cavity using a spoon to ensure an even distribution. In a heated pan with a touch of cooking oil, place your stuffed white mushrooms, shrimp side down, and sear for about a minute. Once you flip the mushrooms, continue cooking over medium-low heat until they start releasing their flavorful juices. Time to introduce some amazing flavors. Add cooking wine, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, and a splash of water. Increase the heat to high and let it simmer for a quick 2 minutes. For that perfect consistency, stir in a mixture of cornstarch water to thicken the sauce. Finally, sprinkle some freshly chopped green onions over the stuffed white mushrooms. Transfer them onto a serving plate, generously pour the sauce on top, and they're ready to delight your taste buds. And there you have it. Our savory shrimp stuffed white mushrooms in oyster sauce are ready to steal the show. Give this recipe a try and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.